Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you know how important it is to treat your skin to a little nighttime TLC. And what better way to do that than with Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Moisturizing Overnight Treatment. This product promises to hydrate and replenish your skin as you sleep, leaving you with a dewy, refreshed complexion by morning. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Moisturizing Overnight Treatment comes in a sleek, travel-friendly 2.2-ounce jar. What stands out is its inclusion of hyaluronic acid, a powerhouse ingredient that's known for its ability to retain moisture and plump up the skin. Hydration is key here, as this product is designed to lock in moisture and provide your skin with the hydration it needs for that overnight glow. With a formula that blends easily and absorbs quickly, this product's job is to hydrate, repair, and refresh, all while you're off dreaming. Now let's talk about how this product fits into your routine. I've been using it nightly for the past few weeks, and I found it easy to incorporate into my evening skincare routine. It has a lightweight texture, almost gel-like, which glides smoothly onto the skin without feeling heavy or greasy. It absorbs well, and you can feel it working its magic without leaving any residue behind. After applying it, my skin feels soft, plump, and moisturized, but not weighed down, which is always a win when it comes to overnight treatments. I've tested it through a few dry skin flare-ups, and it really does seem to balance things out. On the flip side, while I'm really loving how hydrating it is, I've noticed that it doesn't provide the same deep nourishing feel as some heavier creams. So if you have really dry skin, you might need a richer option for extreme dryness. That's definitely something to consider if you're prone to more intense dehydration or have skin that requires heavy moisture overnight. In terms of pros, I'd say the formula's lightweight, hydrating properties make it a great fit for anyone looking for a daily overnight treatment that doesn't feel too heavy. Plus, it's gentle and suitable for a range of skin types. On the other hand, the price point can be a little steep. While Estée Lauder is known for its luxury skincare, you're definitely paying for the brand name here. And while it hydrates beautifully, I would have liked to see a more robust anti-aging component, considering the price. As for value for money, it really depends on your personal skincare goals. If you're seeking hydration and a fresh morning glow, this product could definitely be worth it. However, if you're on the hunt for something that targets multiple skin concerns, like wrinkles, fine lines, or deep texture issues, you may want to look at other, more specialized products that combine hydration with other active ingredients at a lower price. When compared to other overnight treatments on the market, Estée Lauder's offering is one of the more premium options. The high concentration of hyaluronic acid and the brand's reputation for quality speak for themselves, but there are also less expensive options that hydrate well. Brands like Neutrogena or CeraVe offer affordable alternatives, though they might not have the same luxurious feel or the specific ingredients that Estée Lauder incorporates in its treatment. As for build quality, the packaging is solid with a nice sturdy glass jar that feels luxe without being overly heavy. The treatment itself has a smooth, silky texture that isn't too thick or too thin, which is a good balance when you're looking for hydration without feeling like you're smothering your skin. The size, 2.2 ounces, seems to last a decent amount of time with nightly use, but you might find yourself going through it faster if you use it generously. Have I had any issues with customer support? Not yet. I haven't needed to reach out, but Estée Lauder is known for having great customer service and a solid return policy if you're not satisfied with your purchase. The brand has built a reputation for quality, and their support team is often praised for being responsive. For those who are curious about alternatives, you can certainly find less expensive moisturizers and overnight treatments that still provide hydration and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. However, if you love the luxury feel and are willing to invest in a high-performing overnight treatment, Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Moisturizing Overnight Treatment is a solid choice. In conclusion, this product delivers exactly what it promises: a luxurious, hydrating experience that's gentle on the skin. It won't work miracles if you're dealing with deep wrinkles or hyperpigmentation, but it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking hydration, especially if you want to pamper your skin at night. Is it worth the investment? If you're a fan of premium skincare and hydration is your main goal, absolutely. But if you're on a budget or need something more intensive, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.